Our children should never have to experience the trauma of active violence. In an ideal world, they wouldn't. Unfortunately, since the horrific Columbine massacre, more than 250,000 children have faced the terror of gun violence at their school, and that number continues to grow. Whether we are parents, faculty, or staff, keeping our students safe while they learn is everyone's responsibility.
Some schools have resource officers on site, and many have security measures in place to prevent weapons from getting on campus. But too often, schools overlook the vital importance of providing a thorough training program for faculty and staff to respond properly when active violence erupts.
With AVIRT training, schools learn how to spot warning signs to prevent violent events before they happen. You'll also experience realistic training situations where we'll teach you how to make rapid survival decisions and take action. Learning AVIRT will give you the confidence in knowing how to respond to life-threatening bleeding so you can safely help students and colleagues during these tragic events.
We offer monthly courses for people who'd like to become an HSI-authorized AVIRT instructor, or we can provide live, on-site training directly to your entire organization. Get in touch now so we can help you save lives with AVIRT.